or survival. My hair was short, made your temper even shorter. Bet that you couldn't guess that my life was out of order. I was only 16, just feeling sick of me. I grabbed the kitchen scissors, they said give them full Brittany. English teacher saw these kids were getting to me. He dropped the class, the pulled my aside, said listen to me. It's just one bad haircut, if it's even that. But there's something that you have that I've seen other kids lack. So use that wit, ambition, talent, take it places this town hasn't. These kids are high school peakers, and your life will be much sweeter. Two birds, one stoner, throw them up if you're a loner. Flip the world without a word and let them stare cause it's absurd. I throw mine up for good reason. Now I declare middle finger season. I kick the door in, then I look him in the eye, flip him a thumbs up, flip the bird and say bye. I'm skipping class today, call me a burger queen, get it your way. Cause I don't give a what life holds for me, but it's better than sitting by all of these dweebs. If it's my time, then I'm not gonna stall. I'm growing up and I'm gonna ball. One day this will not even matter to me. I'ma make fun of it casually. Say it with me now, two birds, one stoner. Throw them up if you're a loner. Flip the world without a word. Let them stare cause it's absurd. I throw mine up for good reason. Now I declare middle finger season. Why be so obsessed with what I do? Let me have my cake and eat it too. Say it with me now, two birds, one stoner. Throw them up if you're a loner. Flip the world without a word. Let them stare cause it's absurd. I throw mine up for good reason. I declare middle finger season. I declare middle finger season. Throw them up if you're a loner. I declare middle finger season. Let them stare cause it's absurd. I declare middle finger season. Throw them up if you're a loner.
Yo, remember, if somebody wants to try to bully you or be mean to you, it feels like they're throwing rocks at you. So you take those rocks and you build a damn castle. That way, the next time they try to throw a rock at you, it just bounces right off.